Ariana Grande is known for her amazing voice. Her vocal range and ability to hit high notes effortlessly have made her a global sensation. From her early days on Nickelodeon to her chart-topping hits, Ariana has always been in the spotlight for her musical talents. But there's more to Ariana than just her voice. She is also known for her beautiful style. Ariana's fashion sense is a blend of classic and contemporary, often setting trends that many try to emulate. Whether she's on the red carpet or just out and about, her outfits always make a statement. Her signature look often includes oversized sweaters, thigh-high boots, and of course her iconic high ponytail. One of her most famous looks is her cat-eye makeup. This makeup style has become synonymous with Ariana, giving her a distinctive and glamorous appearance. The cat-eye makeup is not just a trend, it's a timeless look that has been popularized by many celebrities over the years, but Ariana has truly made it her own. It makes her eyes look bigger and brighter. The cat-eye makeup enhances the natural shape of her eyes, making them appear more open and awake. This effect is achieved by carefully applying eyeliner in a way that extends the natural line of the eye, creating an illusion of larger, more expressive eyes. Lots of people want to copy this look. The cat-eye makeup has become a go-to style for many makeup enthusiasts and professionals alike. Tutorials on how to achieve the perfect cat eye are abundant on social media platforms, with countless beauty influencers sharing their tips and tricks. It's a look that can be both subtle and dramatic, depending on how it's applied. This look is all about a sharp wing. The sharp wing is the defining feature of the cat-eye makeup. It requires precision and a steady hand to create a clean, crisp line that extends from the outer corner of the eye. This winged effect adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to the overall look. The wing is the line that goes up at the corner of your eye. This upward flick is what gives the cat eye its name, resembling the shape of a cat's eye. It's a technique that can be customized to suit different eye shapes and personal preferences, making it a versatile makeup style. It's like a little flick that points to your eyebrow. The direction and length of the flick can vary, but the goal is to create a seamless extension of the natural eye line. This flick not only adds definition to the eyes, but also lifts the overall appearance of the face, giving it a more youthful and energetic look. It makes your eyes look longer and more dramatic. The elongated effect of the cat-eye makeup draws attention to the eyes, making them the focal point of the face. This dramatic look is perfect for special occasions or when you want to make a bold statement. It's a timeless style that continues to captivate and inspire makeup lovers around the world. To get Ariana's cat eye, you need the right tools. The cat eye look is iconic, timeless, and can elevate your makeup game instantly. But achieving that perfect flick requires more than just a steady hand. It starts with having the right tools in your makeup arsenal. Let's dive into the essentials you'll need to recreate this stunning look. First, you need a good mirror. A clear, well-lit mirror is crucial. It allows you to see every detail and ensures precision. Whether it's a handheld mirror or a vanity mirror with lights, make sure it's something that gives you a clear view of your eyes. This will help you in drawing those sharp, clean lines that define the cat eye. You need to see your eyes clearly. This might seem obvious, but the importance of good lighting and a clear mirror cannot be overstated. Natural light is the best, but if you're doing your makeup in the evening or in a dimly lit room, consider investing in a mirror with built-in LED lights. This will help you avoid any shadows that could distort your lines. Next, you need makeup brushes. Brushes are the unsung heroes of makeup application. They help you apply products smoothly and blend them seamlessly. For the cat eye, a small, angled brush is your best friend. It allows for precision and control, making it easier to draw those sharp, clean lines. A small, angled brush is perfect for the cat eye. This brush helps you get into the corners of your eyes and create that perfect wing. It's also great for applying eyeliner and eyeshadow with precision. If you don't have one yet, it's definitely worth the investment. You will also need makeup. This might seem like a no-brainer, but having the right products is just as important as having the right tools. Make sure you have a good quality eyeliner, eyeshadow, and mascara. These are the basics you'll need to create the cat eye look. Black eyeliner is key for this look. The cat eye is all about that bold, dramatic line, and black eyeliner is perfect for achieving that. Whether you prefer a pencil, liquid, or gel liner, make sure it's a deep, rich black that will make your eyes stand out. You can use liquid liner or a gel liner. Both have their pros and cons. Liquid liner is great for creating sharp, precise lines, but it can be tricky to use if you're not experienced. Gel liner, on the other hand, is easier to control and can be smudged for a softer look. Choose the one that you're most comfortable with. Eyeshadow is great for making your eyes pop. A neutral or shimmery eyeshadow can add depth and dimension to your eyes, making the cat eye look even more striking. And don't forget mascara. A good mascara will lengthen and volumize your lashes, framing your eyes beautifully and completing the look. With these tools and products, you'll be well on your way to mastering the cat eye. Before you start on your eyes, prep your skin. This is the foundation of any great makeup look. Taking the time to properly prepare your skin can make a world of difference in how your makeup looks and lasts throughout the day. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser. This step is crucial as it removes any dirt, oil, and impurities that have accumulated on your skin. A clean canvas is essential for makeup to adhere properly. Then, put on moisturizer. Moisturizing your skin ensures that it stays hydrated and plump, which helps in achieving a smooth makeup application. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type, whether it's oily, dry, or combination. This will help your makeup go on smoothly. When your skin is well moisturized, it creates a perfect base for your foundation and other makeup products. It prevents your makeup from looking cakey or patchy. Smooth skin allows for an even application, making your makeup look more natural and flawless. If you want, you can also use a primer. Primer acts as a barrier between your skin and makeup, filling in fine lines and pores. It creates a smooth surface for your makeup to glide on. There are different types of primers available, such as mattifying primers for oily skin, hydrating primers for dry skin, and color-correcting primers for uneven skin tones. Primer helps your makeup last longer. It enhances the longevity of your makeup by preventing it from melting, creasing, or fading throughout the day. This is especially important if you have a long day ahead, or if you're attending an event where you want your makeup to stay intact. It also makes your skin look smooth and even. By creating a uniform texture, primer helps in achieving a flawless complexion. It minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines, giving your skin a polished look. This step is particularly beneficial for those with textured skin or large pores. Now you are ready for makeup. With your skin prepped and primed, you have the perfect base to start applying your makeup. Whether you're going for a natural look or a full glam, these steps ensure that your makeup will look its best and last longer. So gather your makeup tools and get ready to create a stunning look. Eye primer is a secret weapon for great eye makeup. Put a little bit on your eyelids, blend it in with your finger. Primer helps your eyeshadow stay put. It also makes the colors of your eyeshadow look more vibrant. This is important for a dramatic look like Ariana's. Now it's time to start on the cat eye. Take a light brown eyeshadow. Use a fluffy brush to blend it all over your eyelid. This is your base color. Next, take a darker brown eyeshadow. Use a smaller brush to apply it to the crease of your eyelid. Blend it well. This adds depth to your eyes. Section 6. The perfect wing. Now for the fun part. The wing. Take your black eyeliner. Start at the outer corner of your eye. Draw a thin line upwards. The line should point towards the end of your eyebrow. Don't worry if it's not perfect. You can always fix it later. Section 7. Claymation magic. Imagine your eyelid is like a claymation character. You can mold and shape it with makeup. Use a small brush and black eyeshadow. Gently blend the edges of your wing. This will make it look softer and more natural. Keep blending until you're happy with the shape. Section 8. Finishing touches. Your cat eye is almost done. Now take your mascara. Apply 2 coats to your top lashes. This will make your eyes look even bigger. If you want, you can also apply a little mascara to your bottom lashes. And that's it. You've created Ariana Grande's signature cat eye. Section 9. You did it. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing your cat eye. You'll get better every time. Soon, you'll be a cat eye pro. You'll be rocking Ariana's look with confidence. Have fun with your makeup.